Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. Here's a detailed analysis and the remedy for this problem. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And bingo! The code performs perfectly and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That's the end of today's lesson. If you found this walkthrough practical, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more code repair videos. Stay enthusiastic, keep advancing, and happy coding everyone!